Hey, this is Fred Bravo with Alpha Bravo Tech. Upon a viewer's request, I'm going to show how to take off the ear cushions, ear muffs off of a Turtle Beach headset. This is a 420X, but you just take them off pretty simply. You just stick your finger in here or a couple fingers and just kind of pull out, and then just around, just like that, right? So they just come off like that. You see it has this lip here. To put it back on, which was the viewer's request to see, basically just kind of line it up, right? And then just start maybe on this side here, which is a little bit wider, and just stick that in there. You see how that just went right in? So just stick it right in there, then just kind of roll it, right? Kind of turn it, and then just see there? We'll just pull it a little bit and stick it right in there. So that's in there now. And then we'll just do the same over here, right? We'll just pull this a little bit, stick that in there, again there, and then this is the last little part, and we'll just kind of pull a little bit. You know, you don't want to go too crazy, but just enough, and that's it. Well, right here at the top, it looks like it might need just a little bit of adjustment. There we go. And we just kind of work that in. See, now it's in there nicely. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And give it a thumbs up if this video helped you. Thank you.